this tutorial, I'll be using this yarn, Alice Cotton Gold Tweed, and a 2.5mm hook. So let's dive in. I already have one of my bra cup made, so I'll be giving you the tutorial while working on the second piece. Make a loop, enter your hook into the loop and make a chain of 29. If your size medium, I would suggest you make a chain of 35. If your size large, I would suggest you add a plus 10. That is like a size 45, I think. Yeah, so that you're able to get your fitting. But most importantly, please take your measurements. I am done with my chain. You're going to add a plus 2, 1, 2, which is going to be your first double crochet. Come in the third loop from the hook, make a second double crochet. So this is going to give us a total of 30 double crochets. Work the double crochets until the end of this chain. I am getting to the end of this row 1. So this is my first row of double crochets. You're going to chain 2, turn your work, come in the very first loop, pull through, then wrap, go into the next loop, pull through, then pull through all, then pull through 2. That's the way this is the format I'm using to make my decreases, and then continue working double crochet. I'm going to meet you towards the end to show you the decrease as well, because we're going to keep working decreases from this until we have our perfect bra size. I am getting done. I have 3 loops left, so I'm going to work a double crochet in this, and then I have 2 loops. You can see them. Come in this loop, wrap your yarn, enter in this second last loop, pull through, then go into the last loop, pull through, then pull through all, and then pull through 2, like that. So you're going to keep maintaining this format until you have the right fitting of your bra cup. I'm going to show you one more row, and into the next, pull through, then pull through 2. You're going to keep working this until you have the enough triangle to fit your bra. I'm going to speed up my tutorial because I don't want to drag it, but I'll make sure you don't miss out on anything. Again, at the end, I have my 2 loops. Come in the second last loop, come in the second last loop, pull through, then wrap your yarn, come in the last loop, pull, then pull through all and pull through 2, like that. Chain 1, 2, turn your work, and repeat the same thing, like I said, until you have enough triangle to fit your boobs or fit your bust. I am almost done with my triangle. Chain 1, 2, turn your work. I have a few loops left here, so I'm going to pull through and make a decrease, and again make a decrease. Like that. So you're going to chain 1, 2, and we are going to start working around the corners of this bra. Sorry, it was supposed to be a chain 1. You're going to work a single crochet all around the triangle, if that's clear enough. In each double crochet, you'll be working 2 single crochets. When you're about to make a turn, I worked it a bit different, so that's why I paused fastening my video so you can see. In this last loop, you'll enter and pull through your single crochet. Then since we are turning, chain 1 and go back into the same loop with a single crochet, and now continue working a single crochet on each double crochet. You're going to do this same thing at the edge there before you turn to continue with your work, so that we can maintain the shape. So I'm getting back to where I started from. Like that. You're going to come in the center and make a slip stitch. So this is our V, at least this is my V, I don't know about you. So we're going to turn our work to work from these loops. Chain 1, 2, turn your work. So you're going to start working 3 double crochets in each loop. So we've already done a chain 2, that's our first. We are working the second double crochet. Go back with the 3rd double crochet. Then skip, you're going to, these are 3, you're going to skip 1, 2, come into the 3rd loop, make a slip stitch. Then chain 1, 2, go back with 2 double crochets to make a total of 3. And then you're going to again count 1, 2, come into the 3rd loop, slip stitch. Then chain 1, 2. Then go back with 2 double crochets. You're going to do this until the end of this line. Don't turn around, don't do anything. I'll meet you at the end. It's gorgeous. I am getting to the end, so I'm actually going to stop here. Like I said, I'm not going to circle with it. So 1, 2, come here and slip stitch, then go into the next inner one of the loops, slip stitch, chain one and cut off the yarn. So this is one part done. You're going to do the same thing on the other side. Don't touch that part like you've seen on this piece. So we're going to maintain using these loops. So make a loop, so come in the very first loop here at the end, enter your hook, enter into the loop you have created and pull through, then chain 1, 2, wrap your yarn, go back with 2 double crochets to make a total of 3. Then you're going to again continue with the same thing we've been doing. Skip 2 loops, work into the third with a slip stitch, then chain 2, 1, 2, work 2 double crochets in that same loop, and then skip 1, 2 into the third with a slip stitch. So you're going to work this until the end. I'm going to meet you there. I am getting to the end, and I have like 1 left. One, 2, and so this is my piece and I love it already. It's super gorgeous. The yarn color is amazing. So you're going to work 1, 2 and go back in the center space with the 2 double crochets, chain 1, go back with 2 double crochets. So this is our piece. Honestly, this is one of the kind of bras I rarely do, but I do love it. Chain 1, turn your work, come and slip stitch in the chain 1 space that you created. And now we are going to work the string. So chain 2, go back with a double crochet in that space, then chain 1, 2, turn your work, go in the middle space of the 2 double crochets you made, make a double crochet, chain 2, turn your work. Again, you're going to do the same thing, go in the middle of the 2 double crochets, put a double crochet, chain 2. So you're going to keep doing this until you have a string of your choice long enough. I'll meet you when mine is ready. So my string is long enough and I'm done, so I'm cutting it off. And honestly, my bra cap is ready. You may not believe me, but damn, I love it. It's ready. We're just going to attach the other string and that's it. So yeah, the string, and then we are good to go. So I'm going to double my yarn because I want my string to be thick enough, so I'm going to actually double my yarn. So my yarn is here. I'm now going to make a string, so make a loop, hold on, make a loop, and I'm going to still use my 2.5 millimeters hook and work a chain or a string. So my string is ready, and I'm going to insert it in this in the brass, and then it will be a movable one. So I'm going to be skipping two double crochets, passing it through two double crochets. My bra cap is ready. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. You can play around with it the way you want. It's a beginner friendly, it's a sexy one, and I appreciate you guys. So please give this video a thumbs up, share, comment, give me your opinions. Bye bye.